Alright viewers, I need you to tell me the truth. Does this letter sound like a scam? It says, "Hello AJ, this is Gaetano from Northeast Worms. I watch all of your videos with a lot of interest and I wanted to make a proposal. We are a small startup with an urban worm farm, not very big, but we invest money, time and resources in this great project, and I would love to send you some worms in exchange for an honest review in your YouTube channel and one of your videos. We have red wigglers, African nightcrawlers, European nightcrawlers, and of course castings and other stuff connected to worm farming. Is there something that you are interested in? Eventually, what species of worms would you like to review? I understand that you don't have African nightcrawlers. I can send you a good pound of African nightcrawlers. Thank you, and looking forward to hearing from you. Gaetano." And this is how I definitely replied back to this email. So enjoy the video! How I knew this guy was legit, I made a phone call to his website phone number, and his voice matched exactly to his YouTube videos because he's also a YouTuber. But this is a little bit about his background with his business. He says, "Hi, my name is Gaetano and I am the CEO and founder of NortheastWorms.com. I started in 2019 with 2 pounds of red wigglers to produce my own vermicast from my little backyard's garden. And in less than 2 years, I had my basement full of worms from all species. I started to sell worms and compost to my friends and neighbors, and after I saw that people wanted to recycle, the request for worms and compost was pretty high. I founded NortheastWorms.com. Do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Our customer service commitments are simple. 1, superior service. 2, unbeatable prices. And 3, a fresh, high-quality inventory. We have worms and accessories that consistently evolve to fit our customer needs. Once you find what you're looking for, we guarantee a smooth checkout and delivery experience. Check out what we have to offer today. And now let's check out his worms. Alright, Northeast Worms, here's my honest review for your business. We talked, we discussed what type of worms I didn't have. I don't have African nightcrawlers, but I decided to go with European nightcrawlers because African nightcrawlers, they need a warmer temperature, so that's why I picked the European nightcrawlers. You sent your box on Monday, I got it on a Friday. It says live worms, do not expose to excessive heat. Please hold to post office, call the recipient for a pickup. So I'm going to open your box up. Let me bring you people in here so you can see what's going on. You got good packaging tape on it. It's hard to get it open, which is a good thing. So I know that no worms can escape this box. Like I said, you package it nicely, tape well. Comes with some instructions. Let's see what you got inside here. A thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you. Oh, it gave me a sticker. Got a sticker? That's awesome. For your business. Oh, it gave me a few more stickers to share. So I'm gonna have a video and I'll pick a a couple subscribers to give my stickers to. So thank you for the stickers. I got my worm bin prepped previously because I knew my worms would be here. The bedding's nice and wet, but I'm gonna wet it down or saturate my bin down a little bit more. But it's a pound of European Nightcrawlers. He sent them in peat moss. They're alive. But now what I have to do is give them some moisture to the bedding. And like I said, there's a couple of flies that were in it. There's only one worm that was not in the bag. And you have this other cardboard right here for bedding. And you also sent me a t-shirt, so I'll open that t-shirt up real quick. All right, Northeast Worms, let me look at your t-shirt you sent me. I appreciate it. Northeastworms.com, www.northeastworms.com. I'm going to wear it proudly. I appreciate that. Now, 3 things I like about you and your business for my final review is you're honest. You said you're going to do this. You're going to send me a t-shirt and a few worms. So I appreciate that. 2, you're passionate about your job. And you respect worms and you take your job seriously. And that's what I like, a businessman that loves his job and enjoys what he does. Another thing, you're a YouTuber, and I like watching your videos. I'm subscribed to your channel. So if you have not already, anyone that's watching this video, become a subscriber to Northeast Worms. Subscribe to his channel. And if you haven't had any worms and you think about purchasing worms, buy some worms from Northeast Worms. Northeast Worms, because he's legit, he's a man of his word, and your worms are going to be coming out real healthy and strong. So let's take one more look at the Europeans before I end my video. All right, they're going down, they're barreling down. Like I said, they're all alive. I'm going to add more bedding to it, which he sent in this box. This is some shredded cardboard. It's going to go in there. Just in case there's some other worms in there. I'm going to wet this down one more time and call it good. But like I said, once again, if you haven't already, subscribe to northeastworms.com. Support his business if you're looking for worms. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel if you like the content. So I just want to say thank you for taking time out to watch this. And you guys and gals have a great day. Bye.